Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this video review, especially all my male friends out there. My name is Aline, guys, and I am here today to help you basically enter your old age being much more healthier. You know, it is totally normal that once you do age, everything kind of like falls down, your testosterone levels, your stamina, your energy. And that's why I'm here, because I want to present to you Alpha Tonic, which is really amazing because it can increase your sex drive and boost your physical and mental energy. So if you need a little push, you know, a little booster upper, you guys are in the correct video. So I strongly recommend that you stay right there because I want to introduce everything regarding Alpha Tonic today, just so you know what you're getting yourselves into, so you know how you're going to use it, and so much more, okay? But honestly, like, the first thing you have to know about Alpha Tonic, and this is like the most important thing, is where you're going to get it from, which not many people do know that they have an official webpage, but that's like the only place on the internet you have to go to get it. So I'm not going to leave you here, you know, wasting your time looking for that link. I already went there myself. Of course, I got the link for you guys and left it here below this video, so you can check it out after you finish hearing what I have to say. But just remember, that's the safest way and the only place you can go to place your order, okay? But guys, like, Alpha Tonic's a highly bioavailable powder formula, and it gets absorbed into your body and cells like super duper quickly. All you have to do is simply mix 1 scoop of Alpha Tonic into a glass of water, or like your favorite beverage, you know, but not beer. Could be like a juice or water, you know, or tea. And you can enjoy it and sit back while your body is being infused with powerful nutrients that support detoxification, boosts your testosterone levels, increases your sex drive, and also boosts your mental and physical energy as well. So you're going to get a lot out of Alpha Tonic. You're going to feel so alive, so full of energy in life, you know? The potent combination of natural plants, herb, and extracts inside Alpha Tonic has a 1-2 punch effect. So number one is that the Alpha Tonic will support your body and your strength in a world where basically your masculinity is under attack. And also, secondly, guys, it supplies your body with the right nutrients so that you can naturally support your testosterone levels to really like high optimum levels. So that's really cool. And I mean, Alpha Tonic is just filled with all the ingredients that a man needs in order to boost up his testosterone levels, like vitamin D, maca root, boron, panax sun, ashwagandha, along with other natural ingredients. So this is a supplement that consists of no GMOs, no toxins or chemicals, making it extremely safe for any men out there to use. And guys, what I found really amazing about the manufacturers of this product is that they give you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So if you realize that, you know, Alpha Tonic is not what you thought it would be and you would like a refund, you can request that on the official webpage. And also remember this, in order to really get results, you have to take it seriously. You have to use Alpha Tonic every single day without interruptions, without forgetting about taking it, and be patient because this is a natural supplement we're talking about, okay? You're going to realize how quickly you are going to start to take in all these benefits, but you also have to be very committed and remember to use it every day. But now, do visit their official webpage. I can guarantee you're going to be really excited with Alpha Tonic. This is a really great natural supplement, and a lot of men are using it and having really great results with it, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. The link is right here waiting for you guys. Bye.